Good morning, team. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, and we have some epic information coming out today. Like I said on our previous videos, we're waiting for that CPI data report to come out, and that comes out today at 8:30 a.m. right before the market opens. You can see we get a lot of information from jobless numbers to CPI data. So we're going to find out a lot of information on how the inflation is overall affecting the overall economy and how we're going to move forward, which is going to be a major driving factor in how the market reacts today. We've been getting kind of muted volume on basically the overall market, but today is a day where the volume comes back. So let's see what overall happens today. First off, we're going to be looking at Amazon, over here, because Amazon's finding some strong support again around this 112 level over here. You can see that Amazon has basically respected this level multiple times. Make sure you guys are very careful to see if we start to break that 112 111 area, because if we do break it, we could start basically heading down towards 108 down here. Very nice gap down. Or if we find some type of support once again, you can see we're trying to get above that EME line, sign of bullishness. All of this can possibly change when that CPI data comes out. So as long as we stay above this trade line, we could start basically pulling up from that basically 113 towards 115, maybe even 118. So let's see what overall happens. MACD looks like it wants to cross up over here. RSI has room for upside. All of this is subject to change once that information comes out. So make sure you guys watch out. What position is that stock trending compared to the EMA line? Is it below the trade line or above it? So next stock we're going to talk about is going to be Tesla. We're keeping the watch list very short just because a lot of people are just going to be focusing on the SPY and maybe Tesla and bigger names, especially the names that are going to move a lot with that kind of CPI information. So looking at Tesla, you can see Tesla has been on a steep downtrend, finding some type of support around this 214 level. Watch to see if Tesla gets above 220. Once we get above 220, we can start basically pushing up towards 225, and 230 is a major support or resistance level. So let's watch out for that. And then on the downside, you can see Tesla's going sideways over here. Watch to see if Tesla breaks 214 to the downside, and then we could start basically sinking down towards those 205 levels where back in May it got down there before. So definitely want to watch out to see what happens with that. Tesla does have earnings coming up as well on the 19th. So definitely want to watch to see how Tesla is going to react before earnings. May get a pre-earnings run up or pre-earnings sell-off. You never really know with this market, but make sure you guys watch out for this trade line. No matter what, the trade line never lies. Last but not least, we're going to talk about SPY. SPY is basically probably going to be the #1 stock people are watching today, especially since we've been trapped around this zone, around this 355 zone. You can see yesterday we got really close to it towards that 355.08, which was the previous low back in September 30th. So that's the level we need to break in order to get really bearish. And then we could basically start just sinking down towards 350 and maybe even 340s down there. There's a pretty good gap down if you look over towards those 3-year charts. But today we're watching before the CPI data comes out. So want to watch to see main level you want to watch to see SPY get above is that 363. 363 is the 1-year trade line. So we're below it right now. So that means ultimate bearishness, right? So want to get above it. 363 is right above here. And then we can start basically pushing up towards 370. So watch out for that. And then to the downside, we want to watch that 355, and then we can start going to 350. So that's going to be pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the watch list. Make sure you guys leave a like below. Practice caution, use a stop loss, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.